Waiting for the trucks. It's dried out, it's good. I drove over it yesterday, not a problem. There's a few wet bits, but it's pretty good. I'm more than happy with it, but we're going to start with a 6-wheeler this morning, just 12 tons. First up, and he's just going to roll over it and see how he tracks over it, or how he drives over it. Yeah, and then we'll probably start with truck and trailers, which will be 30-ton loads. And I think this afternoon we might have 2 truck and trailers going, so that'll be good. We might be able to wrap it up today. So alright, waiting game. Nice rock too. One happy truck driver, so that's good. He thinks keep truck and trailers in here is not the best way, and I'd just do it with 6-wheelers, and well, a 6-wheeler and an 8-wheeler to come later on. So I'm happy with that. You know, I mean, these guys drive every day. They know sites better than I do. You know, they probably know soil better than I do too, so I will stick with their recommendations. Well, there ain't much battery left, but well, we're oh god, a lot of loads in, and it's the end of the day, and we're up to just on the other side of those trees there. So yeah, tomorrow we'll finish up, and sun's going down, and yeah, we'll be back in the morning. Morning campers, a lovely day in the north, first day of winter, we're up to here now, so all up the hill there is all done, still grading it off. The trucks are compacting it as they're driving back and forth, so I have to keep going back and forth to sort of fill in the low spots, but we'll have some more gravel put in the low spots. But we'll just spread this one, show you how we spread. It's all good fun, really, not much. It's a go-go. So yeah, pretty glad I got that job done yesterday. Man, it's been like this all night and forecast for the next 2 days. Yours. Alright, thanks for watching.